This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and this video is going to be about the setup for our receiver and how we've assigned the different audio and video inputs. Now with our receiver, you have the ability to assign any video with any audio, and so with kind of a logical way with so many inputs and flexibility, we've come up with a way to design this. Now once you learn how to do this, you can certainly get into this and reassign some of the audio and video as you want, but we've got a pretty good foundation here for you to get started from. First of all, if you go to the menu on this and you go to input, you can kind of see what we've done, and we're going to just take a little bit of time here and show you what we've done for all of our different inputs. So for input 1, you've got our 3D Blu-ray number 1, and we're taking the audio from that and sending that to the HDMI input number 1. Now that is audio only. The video for that is going directly to the projector matrix so we can do some of the 3D functions. So this is a dual output DVD with one HDMI going straight into the Emotiva, which gives you the HDMI for audio, and then the other one, which actually goes through our 3D converter first, and then to projector matrix 1. So that allows you to automatically convert it to 3D, and if you're not doing any 3D conversion, it's just a pass-through, and it goes straight to the projector matrix, and you're all set. Now, we go to the next one down, that's Blu-ray number 2. And Blu-ray number 2 is going into HDMI channel 2, and it's the same deal. It's a dual HDMI output, so the audio HDMI is going through the receiver, and then the second HDMI is actually being split. We're sending half of it through the converter that is also accepting Blu-ray number 1. So if you're doing a 3D Blu-ray DVD, that's how you go. You take it through that signal, you hit Blu-ray number 2, and that goes through projector matrix 1, and then the other HDMI is split directly to projector matrix 2. That way, you've got the option of having Blu-ray 1 and 2 on two separate projectors in any combination. Our next output down are the video cams. Now on the side of the case here, we have 4 video inputs, RCAs, for 4 cameras. Now those are to be used with the video wireless transmitters that come with this system, and we also have the ability to hook those up wired with long runs. And so by selecting video cameras, what we're doing is we're taking those video camera inputs and we're splitting them to the monitor, and we're also splitting them to this 4-channel camera switcher. So when I hit video cameras for the input, we've got 4 switches right here, and we can choose what cameras go into the Emotiva and out to the projector in any order. So the way you would set this up is you'll be able to see all 4 cameras in the monitor, and then as you're looking at the monitor, you can choose and cue and play your cameras that get sent in that way. And there's no audio assigned with that feature, but you can assign it if you want to. Okay, the next channel is our HDMI camera inputs. Now once again on the side of the case, we have 4 HDMI camera inputs, and as we explained in a previous video, you have 4 HDMI to Cat5 extenders that can be run to your 4 cameras. So if you're doing your wireless video and you've got interference, or you just can't, something's happened, so you can't do your wireless video, or you just want the absolute best quality possible, that would be with the HDMI version of it, then you can run it through that. And then the HDMI inputs are then sent to this 4x2 HDMI switcher. What this does is sends one of the outputs to the input of the receiver here, and that allows you then to switch any camera to be seen through the receiver, and then the other output goes directly to the projector matrix. So you have the option of sending the cameras through the receiver, which gives you a couple different options of setup, or you can actually send it directly to the projector matrix in its own channel. Very, very flexible feature. All right, the next